Hi, I'm Prince Agarwal. This is LabVIEW Learnings with Exeliq, and today we are going to learn about how to configure power-up states of DIO cards. So here I have two different NI DIO cards. One is NI USB 6501 and the other one is NI 6525. So both of these cards have DIO input outputs, but there is a slight difference. In my hand, I have NI USB 6501. This is a high impedance input. So whenever this card is turned on, all the input and the outputs are turned to high state. Whereas in the NI USB 6525, I have this option to configure whether I want the input output to be turned to be as active high or active low. So how do we configure these settings? Let me show you. Go to the NI Max and then go to devices and interfaces, and as you can see, I have one 6525 and I have one NI USB 6008, which is equivalent to NI USB 6501. So when I go to NI USB 6525, right click on it and you can see this configure option in the menu. Whereas in NI USB 6008 or 6501, you will not get to see this configure option. Now let me show you how this configure option works. Right click on it, click on configure, and over here you will see the window whether you want all the input output lines to be active high or active low. So based on your selection you can select. So over here I have selected channel number 1, 4 and 6 to be active high. Now whenever my card is plugged in, these three IO lines will be active high. So this is how we configure the active high or active low state or power up states of DIO lines. Thank you.